IVM.
Hi and welcome to Smile India with me, Shifa Maitra. Let's look at some wonderful news from across India. Of course, there's reason to smile despite all the odds. Although I'm not sure if a tiny tot will be smiling, knowing that his parents just got lazy while naming him in Manipur. They were in quarantine since they'd just come back from Goa in a school called Emmanuel. So the baby boy is called Emmanuel Quarantino. Now on to a woman who is the epitome of hard work. Her name is Tulsi Gowda and she lives in Uttara Kannada. Despite hardships throughout her life, her love for plants and herbs is unparalleled, and so is her knowledge about them. Known as the Encyclopedia of Forests, at 72 she has planted around 40,000 trees and continues to do so. She nurtures her saplings like their children and knows the benefits of each one. It has been found that she knows more than most botanists and was hired by the Forest Department of India from where she retired. She continues looking after the department's nurseries and encourages companies to plant saplings. She lives in her small hut despite winning the Padma Shri this year. She's content and always smiling. Quite an inspiration. Another group doing great work in these trying times is a Mumbai-based NGO called Apni Shala. They realized that children from the lower income groups were feeling confused and lost being locked down at home. The NGO has been working with children in municipal schools and initially started helping their families with rations, and that's when they noticed the plight of the children. So they devised games that would give them clarity and keep them gainfully occupied. They enlist the help of parents wherever possible and then on the phone give them tasks to do at home, like a treasure hunt or pretending to smell flowers or blow candles on a cake. The results are amazing as children have become less aggressive and are able to process information better. Even children without smartphones and online classes are using their time well. More power to Apni Shala. Actually, looking for pockets of joy within this pandemic is very possible. How this is done was demonstrated by a group in a quarantine center in Siwan, Bihar. Being a school, it had a stage and an open space where the school assembly used to take place in the pre-COVID days. And there was a great dancer in the group, so he started getting on the stage, playing music and dancing. Soon he got others who were keen to learn, to maintain social distancing and form rows and learn the steps. People who did not dance sat at a distance and clapped. A video of one of their performances recently went viral and made people across the nation realize that you can be as happy as you choose to be. Everything is a choice. Like Rahul George in Bangalore chose to do something about the plight of migrant workers. He knew just his contribution would not do, so he formed a WhatsApp group called Loving the Migrant Worker and asked friends and people from his church parish to help as well. He also identified NGOs helping in Bangalore, and soon he had enough funds to help those passing through his city. The message spread across churches in India, and now Rahul is helping thousands of people in distress. He believes he is only the medium and God is providing. Now it's time for me to make a request to you. I know we're all going through a hard time. We're all in the same storm, but in different boats. So now, when you meet someone who's rebuilding their work, please don't bargain for a few rupees. I'm talking about the local vegetable seller, cobbler, or car washing person. I know bargaining is second nature to us, but this is the time to let them get those few extra bucks. Their need is greater than ours. If you like this podcast, don't forget to check out other interesting podcasts on IVM Network. You can listen to us on the IVM Podcast app or ivmpodcast.com. You can also follow us on our social media. We are at IVM Podcasts on Twitter and Instagram. If you want to reach out to me, it's at Shifa Maitra on Instagram and Twitter. See you next time on another episode of Smile India.
I hope you enjoyed that show. We'd like to thank our sponsors this week, Paytm Money. It really has been a great week this week. We've had two of our first international cricketers show up, people who have played for their respective sides. We had W.V. Raman come on Edges and Sledges, the cricket podcast. If you haven't heard that, you should be listening to that if you enjoy cricket. It's really one of the best out there. And you should also definitely check out Monty Panesar, who showed up on Cyrus Says. That was another really interesting conversation that occurred. If you haven't been listening to a few of our shorter shows, please do that as well. Ashish Vidyarthi has been doing a great job for us. We got 30 episodes now on Begin the Journey. I think you really enjoyed that show. If you haven't listened to it, it helps you with understanding what's going on in this tough time and how do you deal with it from a mental health perspective. We've also had some really fun stuff come up on the Smile India show. Shifa's been doing a lot of really good stories over there, things that just make you happy, so definitely do check that out. And on the more serious side, make sure that you're checking out our regular shows like the Pragati Podcast, All Things Policy. They're definitely going to keep you up to date on what's going on in this COVID world. And thanks for listening, and we hope to catch you again next week.
Advertising is dead. Yep, you heard me right. Advertising is dead. We're all in the content business now. Let's not call it news, TV, radio, etc., etc. It's all content, and we're in the middle of this weirdly exciting phase where all the borders and lines that have been drawn over decades has been swept away by this lovely thing called the internet. We're a show where we don't dwell on just the stuff that is now, but rather the wider stuff about advertising, media, content, and the whole goddamn circus surrounding it. Tune in every Tuesday for our weekly unboxing of the mystery box we used to call advertising. I'm Varun Dugirala, co-founder and content chief at The Glitch, and this is my new podcast, Advertising is Dead.